Hey everyone, welcome to Make Money Online with AI Tools. In today's video, we are going through the future of AI and how it will change online business forever. Plus, if you want a step-by-step guide to building your own AI-based side hustle blueprint, don't forget to check out my ebook, AI Side Hustle. It's packed with actionable tips whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Link is in the description. Let's get into it. We're living through a massive shift. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's transforming how we do business online, faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever. Imagine automating tasks that used to take hours, done in minutes. Personalized shopping experiences, 24/7 customer support, and content created in seconds. AI is revolutionizing it all. Businesses that embrace this change will thrive. Those that don't, risk getting left behind. The future isn't coming, it's already here. So, are you ready to adapt, innovate, and lead the way? Because AI isn't just changing business, it's changing everything, and it's how fast you'll adapt. Imagine, you visit an online store, and it feels like it was designed just for you. Products you love, in your size, your style, and within your budget, all recommended instantly. That's the power of AI in e-commerce. It's not just guessing, it's learning from your behavior, your preferences, even your browsing habits, to create a personalized shopping experience. Imagine trying on clothes virtually from your phone, or having an AI assistant that remembers what you like and helps you shop faster. No more endless scrolling or second guessing. AI can even predict what you'll need before you think of it, like restocking essentials automatically or suggesting gifts based on past purchases. But it's not just about convenience for customers. For businesses, AI is a game changer. It optimizes inventory, predicts demand, and helps target the right audience with the right product at the perfect time. AI-driven ads convert better, personalized emails get more clicks, and customers, they keep coming back for more. This isn't just innovation, it's revolutionizing how we shop and sell. E-commerce with AI is faster, smarter, and built around you. And businesses that leverage it, they're pulling ahead, leaving competitors scrambling to catch up. So, the question is, are you ready to embrace this future of shopping? Content creation has changed forever. What used to take hours, or even days, can now be done in minutes with the power of AI. Imagine typing a few words, and boom, your blog post, social media caption, or even a full video script is ready. AI tools are not just speeding up the process, they're making creativity more accessible to everyone struggling with writer's block. AI can suggest ideas, structure your content, and even write entire articles tailored to your audience. Need graphics or videos? AI platforms can generate stunning visuals and edit clips automatically. For content creators, marketers, and business owners, this means less time stuck on details and more time focusing on what matters, connecting with your audience. And let's not forget social media. AI analyzes trends, recommends the best times to post, and even suggests hashtags to maximize reach. Suddenly, your content strategy isn't guesswork, it's data-driven and efficient. The best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to use these tools. With user-friendly interfaces, anyone, from beginners to pros, can create high-quality content that stands out. AI isn't replacing creativity, it's enhancing it, giving you the tools to do more, faster, and better. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying ahead means embracing innovation. So, how will you use AI to revolutionize your content? Customer support has evolved, and AI is leading the way. Remember waiting on hold for hours or getting bounced between departments? Those days are disappearing. Now, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants handle inquiries instantly, 24/7. Whether it's tracking orders, answering common questions, or troubleshooting issues, customers get quick, accurate responses, anytime, anywhere. But AI isn't just about speed. It's about personalization. These systems learn from past interactions to offer solutions tailored to each customer. Imagine reaching out for support and the AI already knows your order history, preferences, and concerns. That level of service builds loyalty and keeps customers coming back. And it's not just beneficial for customers. Businesses save time and money by automating repetitive tasks, allowing human agents to focus on complex issues that truly need a personal touch. AI also analyzes customer feedback in real time, helping companies improve products and services faster than ever. The voice recognition technology is taking things even further. Customers can speak naturally to AI systems, no more pressing buttons or navigating complicated menus. It's seamless, efficient, and feels more human. The result: happier customers, faster solutions, and businesses that stay ahead of the competition. AI in customer support isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. So, the next time you need help, don't be surprised if AI has already got it covered. Marketing will never be the same again. With AI, businesses can now reach the right audience at the right time with the perfect message, without the guesswork. Imagine launching an ad campaign that automatically adjusts itself to perform better. AI analyzes data in real time, spotting trends and making instant changes to target the most engaged audience. Personalized marketing, AI takes it to the next level. It learns what customers like, when they shop, and how they respond. Emails are no longer generic, they're tailored to each person, increasing clicks and conversions. Ads become so relevant that customers feel like they were made just for them. And it doesn't stop there. AI tools predict future buying behaviors, helping businesses plan smarter promotions and product launches. Automated social media strategies, optimized influencer partnerships. Every marketing decision becomes data-driven, saving time and money while improving results. Even content distribution is faster. AI figures out the best platforms, times, and formats to maximize reach and engagement. Instead of spending hours analyzing data, marketers can focus on creative strategies and connecting with their audience. The best part, these tools are accessible, even for small businesses. You don't need a massive budget or a tech team. AI-driven marketing levels the playing field, giving everyone the chance to compete and thrive. So, the question is, are you using AI to amplify your marketing, or are you letting your competitors get ahead? Now, we're going to take a peek into the future and see what might be coming down the road for AI. How is all this AI goodness going to change how freelancers like you and me work? Let's break it down. First off, the AI tools and services you're using now will likely become even more advanced and capable in the years ahead. That means the tasks and projects you can take on with AI assistants could get more complex and impressive. Just like how smartphones kept getting smarter and more powerful over time, AI technology is also constantly evolving and improving. Maybe you'll be able to create super realistic graphics, animations, or even videos, or suggesting ideas or generate a vision board using AI. The possibilities are really exciting. As AI gets more sophisticated, there are also some important things to think about. We need to make sure we are using these powerful technologies responsibly and ethical ways. After all, we wouldn't want AI to be misused and cause harm, right? One big area to keep in mind is privacy and data protection. A lot of AI systems work by analyzing huge amounts of data, like text, images, and videos from across the internet. But we need to be careful that this data collection doesn't violate people's privacy rights. There are also concerns about AI systems picking up and amplifying human biases and prejudices from the data they are trained on. This is where AI developers will have to work really hard to reduce those unfair biases and might affect us as freelancers if we are not aware of. No matter which path you choose, always remember to approach AI responsibly and ethically. Use it as a supportive tool, not a replacement for human skills and judgment. Another consideration is the impact of AI on jobs and employment. As AI automates more tasks, more and more people worry it will replace a lot of jobs. While this may be true to an extent, there will always be new jobs created because of the rise of AI. Let us take a short memory down the lane. The first technology revolution in the 18th century, which is the Industrial Revolution. People worry it will replace many jobs like labor work, but it created many jobs instead and improves the society and economy. Second technology revolution in the mid-20th century, which is the Digital Revolution, the Information Age. People worry computer and internet will replace many jobs, but look, it created even more jobs than ever. Earning money online is no longer a myth. And now we are in the third technology revolution, AI revolution. Don't you think more jobs are going to be created? It means we can free ourselves with all the mundane tasks and create a better future where we can have more human connections than it is now. The good news is, by developing your AI skills through side hustles now, you'll be ahead of the curve. You'll have a head start in this growing field when AI becomes even more widespread in the future. So what can you do to prepare? Keep learning about AI by reading, watching videos. Keep yourself up to date with technology news and, most importantly, experimenting hands-on with these tools yourself. Pay attention to new AI breakthroughs and look for ways to incorporate them into your services. And consider developing niche expertise in specific types of AI applications that really interest you. That's it for today. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this. If you're excited about the possibilities and ready to take the next step, don't forget to grab my ebook, AI Side Hustle. It's your complete guide to building a side hustle with AI, whether you're looking to make extra income or launch a full-blown creative business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.